Based on user demand for long battery life, LOVE is matched with CATL's 66.67 kilowatt-hours high-capacity battery, laying the foundation for an industry-wide battery life of 460 kilometers. At the same time, the highly integrated electric drive technology, intelligent and improved energy management strategies, low wind resistance and low rolling resistance designs reduce the vehicle's energy consumption in every aspect, and achieve a vehicle power consumption of 14.2 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers. The 400-plus kilometer ultra-long battery life covers 95% of the intercity delivery in the province, allowing users to earn an additional 18,000 yuan per year. LOVE specifically uses an 8-in-1 highly integrated electric drive with a driving efficiency of more than 93.5%. The high-efficiency working range can cover 80% of the working conditions, and every ounce of energy is intelligently and fully utilized. Improved energy management strategies and intelligent thermal management technology, advanced data analysis and modeling, and scene-based deep learning to increase the rate of high and low temperature driving range by 10%. Achieve dynamic intelligent balance of battery core temperature, adaptive match equipped with software and calibration strategies. It can accurately ensure better energy flow in the entire vehicle's energy consumption and energy regeneration process, reduce the product's energy consumption by 11% to 13%, and greatly enhance the vehicle's energy-saving modern body design. The friction coefficient as low as 0.335 significantly reduces wind resistance. The rolling resistance coefficient of special low rolling resistance tires is as low as 6.0, and combined with low resistance and maintenance-free wheel bearings, it reduces the resistance during vehicle driving. LOVE is demand-driven and positively defines the smart cockpit, creating a smart cockpit that integrates mass production, car class, high performance, seamless interaction, instant messaging, entertainment, allowing users to work smoother and drive smoother. The vehicle is equipped with an ergonomically designed 8.8-inch full LCD display and a 12.8-inch widescreen with the same ratio as a mobile phone as standard, which expands the mobile phone operation interface to provide a better mobile phone internet application experience. Based on the comfort of driving, LOVE has completely optimized the layout of the functional control unit, allowing each control key to be easily controlled. It has also developed functional combinations such as auto hold and hill assistant to reduce the user's driving intensity. The steering wheel is lighter, the correction is softer, and the turning radius is only 5.75 meters. It can cross 3 lanes at a time and is more flexible when walking on streets and avenues. In response to users' high comfort requirements during long-term driving, the loft driver's seat is 4-way adjustable with a front and rear travel of 180 millimeters, and the backrest seat has a maximum adjustment angle of 21 degrees. The heated and 4-way adjustable steering wheel provides different comfort driving angles, allowing drivers of different heights to have a comfortable driving posture. In terms of high-strength body design, LOVE adopts a 360 degrees cage-type ring-shaped body structure and a 7-safety ring design to evenly distribute the stress on the body to various parts. In terms of materials used, the front longitudinal beams, anti-collision beams and integrated door knockers are made of 1500 MPa hot-formed steel. Other longitudinal beams and cross beams are made of high-strength steel, accounting for more than 63%. Outer casing materials are made of Shugong Nu. The new generation of high-strength body outer panel materials improve vehicle safety performance by 30%. In terms of battery safety, LOVE has taken the lead in the application of semi-solid-state batteries. After stainless steel acupuncture, rifle drilling, fire and other experiments, the thermal runaway temperature has increased from 500 degrees Celsius to 700 degrees Celsius. Fire, explosion or spread, and has higher safety performance. The basic intelligent driving version includes 13 functions, which can meet the needs of insurance and solve the current problems of obtaining insurance and high premiums. It can achieve L2+ level driving functions. Freeloading. The cargo compartment and the space under the seats are opened, increasing the internal size of the 7-square cargo compartment from 2.8 m to 3.3 m. Easy loading. 500 mm better cargo platform height, 470 mm middle door height, not only saves labor in manual loading and unloading, but also improves loading efficiency.